Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a mascara lover on the hunt for a product that promises to extend and define your lashes without the hassle of traditional formulas, then this review is for you. Today, we're talking about the L'Oréal Paris Double Extend Beauty Tubes Lengthening Mascara in the shade Blackest Black. This two-step tubing mascara claims to offer a lengthening effect that can make your lashes appear fuller and more dramatic, all while staying put throughout the day. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. The L'Oréal Paris Double Extend Beauty Tubes Lengthening Mascara comes with a two-step system. One tube for the mascara base and a second tube for the top coat. This design is centered around the brand's tubing technology, which forms tiny tubes around your lashes to lengthen and hold them in place. These tubes are supposed to offer more precision and staying power compared to regular mascaras. The formula also features a blend of ingredients meant to nourish the lashes while offering the deep black pigment you need for a bold, defined look. As for the packaging, the mascara comes in a sleek, easy-to-hold tube. The dual-step applicators are clearly labeled, making it simple to follow the two-step process. The product's texture is thick but not too clumpy, giving you ample time to work with it before it sets. While the application process requires an extra step compared to standard mascaras, it's still fairly straightforward. When I tested this mascara, I was eager to see if the tubing technology would live up to the hype. The first step is applying the white base, which helps to extend the lashes and create a smooth foundation. The second step is applying the black top coat, which adds both color and additional length. I found that the mascara delivered a decent amount of length right away, and my lashes felt lightweight. It didn't feel heavy or flake off during the day, which is a huge plus. However, I did notice that the two-step application process took a bit longer than I'm used to. If you're in a rush, this might not be the quickest option, but once it's on, it stays on. The tubing formula doesn't smudge or leave raccoon eyes, even when I got caught in a little drizzle. Removal is also easy. Just warm water and a gentle swipe, and the tubes come right off without tugging at the lashes. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: lengthening effect. This mascara really does make your lashes look longer and more defined. Smudge-proof. Once it's on, it stays put throughout the day without smudging or flaking. Easy removal. Unlike traditional waterproof mascaras, this one is easy to remove with warm water. Lightweight. Despite its lengthening power, it doesn't weigh down your lashes or make them feel stiff. Cons: time-consuming application. The two-step process can be a bit of a hassle, especially if you're in a rush. Buildable but not dramatic. While it lengthens, it doesn't give the same volume or drama that some mascaras can deliver in one swipe. White base visible. The white base sometimes needs an extra coat of black mascara to fully cover and blend. When it comes to value for money, this mascara is priced at a premium compared to regular mascaras. But the innovative tubing technology and long-lasting wear justify the price if you're looking for something that won't smudge throughout the day. If you're someone who struggles with mascara that fades or runs, this could be a game changer. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, Maybelline's Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara delivers length and volume, though it won't have the same smudge-proof benefits as the L'Oréal Paris Double Extend. However, if you're on a tight budget, it's worth considering. Looking at the build quality, the packaging is solid and the product itself is effective, though the removal process is key to ensuring that you're not left with stubborn mascara remnants. On the longevity side, the mascara performs well over several hours without needing touch-ups, and it doesn't dry out or lose its effectiveness quickly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, I haven't had any direct interaction with L'Oréal's customer service, but the brand has a reputation for providing responsive customer support if issues arise, so you can feel confident in their service. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Does it give you that perfect length, or are you on the lookout for something else? I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful. inside and out,